Main engine failure at sea can feel like a nightmare unfolding right before your eyes. The moment you realize your engine has stopped, panic can set in, but it's crucial to stay calm and focused. The first step is to alert the bridge immediately. Use the intercom or radio to communicate the situation clearly. Remember, time is of the essence, especially in busy shipping lanes where every second counts. Next, signal distress. Activate your distress signal, whether it's a sound signal or visual signal, to alert nearby vessels. This is not just a precaution, it's a lifeline. You want to ensure that other ships are aware of your situation and can assist if necessary. Now, let's talk about controlling your vessel. If you're in a busy shipping lane, you need to take immediate action to prevent collisions. Engage your emergency steering if available, and use your anchor to slow your drift. If you have a crew, assign roles quickly. One person should monitor the radar and keep an eye on approaching vessels, while others prepare for emergency procedures. Next, let's move to the engineering steps for recovery. Check your engine room for any obvious issues. Look for fuel leaks, overheating, or any alarms that may indicate a problem. If it's safe to do so, attempt to restart the engine. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for restarting procedures. If you're unable to restart, prepare for alternative power sources, such as auxiliary engines or generators, if available. Throughout this process, adhere to the International Maritime Organization, IMO, and Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, guidelines. These regulations provide a framework for safety at sea and are designed to protect you and your crew. Familiarize yourself with the emergency procedures outlined in your vessel's safety management system. Communication is key. Keep the bridge updated on your status and any changes in your situation. If you're unable to regain control, it may be necessary to issue a mayday call. This should be done clearly and concisely, providing your vessel's name, position, and nature of the emergency. As you navigate through this crisis, remember that your training and preparedness are your best tools. Regular drills and safety briefings can make all the difference when facing a real emergency. Stay vigilant, stay calm, and work as a team. In summary, main engine failure is a serious situation, but with the right knowledge and quick action, you can manage it effectively. Alert the bridge, signal distress, control your vessel, and follow the engineering recovery steps. By adhering to IMO and SOLAS guidelines, you not only protect yourself, but also contribute to the safety of everyone at sea.